let's go straight to the basics, no? Kasi kailangan po natin is yung facts, no? You have to correct the facts. Nung unang-una, di ba, in-explain ko po sa inyo, the House of Representatives, hindi po involved sa preparation, identification, and prioritization ng programa ng ehekutibo. Wala ho kaming alam dyan. Sila po yung nagpo-propose niyan. Sila po yung nag-identify. And then pagtapos na po yung kanilang proposal, yung National Expenditure Program, isasubmit po sa amin dito. Now, ito pong proposal na ito, pag-usapan to sa mga pre-budget, the briefing, po pwede pong po pwedeng ma-realign tulad ng nangyari ngayon, po pwedeng we cannot introduce nga, no, it's unconstitutional for any member of the House and in the Senate, ang legislature, it's not really their job. It's unconstitutional to introduce new line item. Bawal po 'yan. Ang sa amin lang po is kaya nga tinatanong kung paano gagastasin, paano ginasta, etc. is we can actually recommend for the reduction or for the realignment and then for the increase, no? Dung sa obligation talaga na kailangan bigyan, increase and decrease. So, pagdating po sa House of Representatives, marami po yung magde-decide. Marami pong mga miyembro diyan. Papunta pa sa plenary, marami pong mga miyembro diyan i-aprobatan pupunta sa PICAM, no? So, do you think as two persons can actually dictate and influence the process? I don't think so. That's overarching to even assign such influence to two persons. It's quite unimaginable to say that the entire system and the entire process, budget process, is dictated by one or two persons who happens to be a chairman of a committee. Among all of the committees. Now, how many committees do we have? I don't think that person or that committee chairperson has that influence to dictate
or power
from the very start, or the power, no? So it's quite sabi ko nga, it's quite it's masyadong namang malawak and masyadong overarching yung pina-assign mo doon sa isang tao na yon, which in fact is not really the case, no? The committee chair cannot decide. He can only decide on who's going to be the sponsor. He can only decide on the dates, on how to schedule, etc. But he's the presiding. He cannot act on its own. The committee is a collective deliberative body. The only decision that the committee can push is if it is supported by majority of the members. And we are about sa vice chair is labing 54 kami na vice chair. Ang membro is 100 plus. Ang dami nga po dyan
145 nga sabi ni Kong Kimbo.
Yes.
Ang nag-decide, oo.
So do you think insulto naman sa amin yon?